stage in disrespect everybody. But you, Shaquille Murray, you feel like you can't come talk to me. For what? You don't need to talk to me, brother. God no give you no message for me, Shaquille Murray. Shaquille Murray, your way of life, or your way of life, brother. My way of life, and my way of life, brother. You live how you want to live. You go see the face of whosoever you praise, brother. And don't blood clot put that for me. When you believe in what you believe in, me and I see a blood clot thing. You hear me? I tell you, you see, the more you can stay away the fuck away from me, I don't have nothing to say about something like me. I am something like a sodomite. Once you say sodomite, you call me name. You understand me? Stop bring up lesbian and batty man in our mouth. Them are going to start this on the back. And when you get blood clot this back, you feel like you're going to send the frozen man, then come beat and kill. And my father alone afraid of Sizzla and my mother. I don't afraid of none of them. Because my father say, Sizzla go send come kill him. My mother say, Sizzla go send come kill her. As I tell my mother, you know, me can't live in no fear because of one man. If my mother and father want to sit down and fear Sizzla, all me can tell Sizzla, say, Sizzla, and you're not to them, or you're all your murderer them, or you have to send come kill people. Leave my parents alone, man. Remember, say them never said nothing to you. So this morning now, me there have to tell you that my parents fear you. My parents fear you, my father and my mother. So you see, because them people never say nothing to you, make sure so when you're not to see them on the Lord them. Because I know them say nothing, and then daughter. Yeah, that's what I say, remember I know, them straight. And them afraid of you. Me not afraid of you. You understand what I say? So you see, when if you see my parents, walk far from them straight people, them man. You see me I say? And me have a problem with my mother fear you, my father fear you. Me can't tell you that brawling. You understand what I say? But when me say, me not gonna take it back because I chose. You understand? Me not afraid of you. So if you are gonna send go kill somebody, Sizzla, don't trouble my parents. Because as I can tell you, say, them fear you. Me not afraid of you. You see me? Oh, me scared? You hear me apologize? You come like a fucking idiot. Sizzla could never get an apology from me because you know nobody to my brother. As I tell you, say, I don't fear you. My parents do. Remember good enough. Me say my father fear you and my mother fear you. Me no fear you. You mean a lice bag, a drunkard. You can't make me fear for my life because you never give me. You see me like you can chat out your mouth and tell people to go suck out their mother, then can tell you back too. You see me, why me there, so I tell you this morning, through my mother call me a ball, my father call me a ball, say them fear you. And then I want you send come kill them. But me no fear your blood clot, brother. Because you never give me no life or you no blood clot, God. Me tell you first, say, if you, me no see you fall, blood clot, red, you can't make me afraid you. You hear me, I tell you? Uncle, my mother and my father alone, you can't make afraid of your brother. God kill me for life, I tell you. Only my mother and my father alone, you can't make fear you. Because you see me no fear nothing about blood clot you. Mother suck a girl pussy in front of your face. Because you are not
why you thinking? It's running, I eat fish.
You see me? As I'm telling you,
fish. Oh, I fear fish. But that.
From my end, you can go light your blood clot in a fire. That me I tell you right now. You is an abuser and a crime organizer. Yeah, my mother called me again. Me I tell you, my mother and my father fear him, bro. And that's why she called me. My mother and my father fear you, bro. You see me? And you see the what me say the other day? The only reason I clear up this, I just because I tell you that my mother and my father call me, bro, say, you're going to hurt them and you're going to do them all kind of things. So when I want to make you know, say, bro, you see my parents, bro, nobody in no talking, bro. You see me? Nobody in no talking, bro. You see me? Nobody do that. Nobody do that. I just, me have a problem with. What? Mommy, stop your foolishness here, man. My me have to play and show if he's sitting them pan something, bro. Don't tell me no lie, mommy. And don't come on the internet and try and manipulate me, bro. Because you know that too. You try to drive fear in me. Now make you drive it in me, mommy. And that you do, bro. I mean, I tell you something, now do it. Because if you fear him and daddy fear him, bro, me not you this morning, brother. And now you're up on the internet and say you don't fear him, brother. And I'm in a like that youth. And you talk about say everybody I call you and I tell you say they fear of them life, bro. And you make me feel one way in myself, bad man. Me I tell you the truth, bro. Because of you call and make me even have this for me topic right here now, brother. Because the minute you call me I talk about how everybody in a family fear for their life, bro. And oh, brother, let me tell you God Almighty truth, bad man. You see my mother never say that, bro. And I talk about say, yo, my father talk about say, you fear thy life and then look at something there, bad man. Me wanna tell you no that. From yesterday, from the day before my mother called me, bro. So tell me ignore my mother call me for the whole day. Me don't tell no lie, bro. Don't tell no lie, because you know me not tell no lie, brother. Don't tell no lie, you. And that's why me address you this morning, brother. Because right now, and them alone, my mother and my father afraid of you, bro. You see me? But me not afraid of you, because my mother can't make me afraid of you, bro. I swear. My mother can't make me afraid of you, dog. No matter how my mother call and I talk about people are call down her phone and I talk about how them are going to do what, me not afraid of you, bro. And my mother alone afraid, dog. Sorry. Bro, me no need to tell no lie, youth. My mother call me, and I say, me fi call my father, because, bro, me need no, mommy don't tell no lie on the life. Do not tell no lie on the life. You tell me, say, leave this alone, because when people are call you, I talk about, say, oh, Sizzla go hurt you and daddy and my family and Ray. Stop tell lie on the life, mommy. Stop tell lie, bro. Because you tell lie, youth. Me I tell you some lie you tell. You tell lie, father. Me I tell you the truth, bro. You tell lie, father. Me I tell you that. You tell lie. You tell lie, mommy. I don't like that. I don't like say you tell lie. You have to tell the people them, oh, you do it and I call. I tell my phone, I say, yo, Ray. When people are going to threaten life and call me father and sit mommy top tell lie. That's the reason why me there I do this. Because you talk about the man are going to hurt me and hurt the family, mommy. Stop tell lie, mommy. Stop tell lie. God know. Stop tell lie, mommy. You know you do it, mommy. You know you do it. You know you do it. And I talk about what the man can do me and when he can do daddy. Stop it, mommy. Because the only reason why me address it this morning. That's the only reason. And you tell me if you delete the picture with daddy and Ray off of the internet, mommy. Me I go talk it truth, mommy, because of what you do. And that you do, you. You tell me if you fear the man, bro. And that you tell me, you. You tell me if you fear the man. Because people are call me father and I call you. And I say, wow, what them are going to do, bro. And that you say, bro. I mean, not me have to address it. Brother, my mother and my father fear you, bro. Nothing at all. What me say, now have nothing to do with them. Avoid the people, them, brother. Alright.
Fire, burn them. Fire, burn them. Fire, burn.